Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cold Email Teardown, where we analyze your cold emails to grow your business. In today's episode, we're going to break down a cold email sent by an agency that will help you book more meetings with your prospects. Let's check it out together. This campaign consists of one email and 3 follow-ups. The goal of it was to book calls with pet brand owners. Let's read the first email. Subject line, quick question, first name. Hey there, first name, Icebreaker. I've been curious about the strategy you're using at company name, and my team and I have made a couple of notes about it. I'd love to share them with you in a quick Zoom call. I would cover an analysis of what the competitor team is currently doing, and of course a step-by-step plan that you can implement right away. Image. Of course, this would not be a sales call. Just want to offer you more value during this call than any marketing guru in a 500 euros program. Are you up for it? Signature. Let's analyze this cold email in detail. First, the subject line. Quick question, first name. It's pretty common but effective as it piques curiosity. Plus, it's personalized with the prospect's name. Regarding the content of your email, here are other suggestions. Quick question about company name strategy. Something for you, first name. X ideas for company name strategy. Now, let's see the intro. Hey there, first name, Icebreaker. Starting your email with an icebreaker is great. It consists of a personalized line for every prospect. If you want to know more about how to write a killer icebreaker, check out a video right here. I've been curious about the strategy you're using at company name, and my team and I have made a couple of notes about it. It shows you've done your research and it brings value to the prospect. I'd love to share them with you in a quick Zoom call. So you tease what you're going to bring them, which piques curiosity. That makes them want to know more about what you have to say. I would cover an analysis of what the competitor team is currently doing, and of course a step-by-step plan that you can implement right away. It's good because you bring value and detail what they'll get in a call. But I would put the step-by-step plan first because it shows what's in it for them, so it's more interesting and relevant for them. You can be more specific and add what this plan is going to bring them. It could be more revenue, save time, reduce costs, whatever. But refer to something that could be their goal or pain point. The last thing I would change is the tense. Don't say I would, but say you will do that. Assume the action and remove the eventuality. So for the image, it's a great personalized image with the prospect's name on it. It grabs the eye and shows directly what's in it for your prospect. And the fact you're in the picture adds authenticity and feels more human. Of course, this would not be a sales call. This statement is useless. Actually, it can work against you because by saying sales call, you're putting the image in your prospect's mind that it is indeed a sales call. That's why I'd remove it. Just want to offer you more value during this call than any marketing guru in a 500 euros program. I get it's supposed to be a joke, but there's a negative connotation to it. You kind of associate yourself with marketing gurus. Instead, you can say something like that, for example. There's no catch, just want to help you and offer you pure value. Are you up for it? This is a good closing line. It's connected to the pitch. It makes your prospect pay more attention to what you're talking about. And it can even help you get prospects excited about your pitch.
12 seconds later.
Now let's see the new version of the email with the improvements. Hey there, first name, Icebreaker. I've been curious about the strategy you're using at company name, and my team and I have made a couple notes about it. I'd love to share them with you in a quick Zoom call and give you a step-by-step plan that you can implement right away to goal, an analysis of what the competitor team is currently doing, image, there's no catch, just want to help you and offer you pure value during this call. Are you up for it? Signature. It works because you add an icebreaker, which is a personalized intro for every prospect. It shows you have done your research and helps you establish a connection with them. You pique your prospect's curiosity, you bring value to them, you don't try to sell, you finish with a good closing line connected to the pitch. Now, let's analyze the first follow-up. Subject line, first name, this is for you. Hello again, first name. As I saw that the last email did not convince you, I hope this does. Here's a little video for you, featuring the strategy that competitor is implementing. Video. Company name will crush it with this value bomb. Hope you enjoy it. So first, let's see the subject line. First name, this is for you. It's a good subject line, it's personalized, it piques curiosity, but the fact you change it means your email will appear as a new thread, which can be good, but in your case, your prospect won't have context if they haven't seen the first email. They're gonna be lost because they want to have the first one. And as the content of your email is tied to your first email, I'd keep the same subject line. So pick the one that works best for you, or I would change the message strategy. Hello again, first name. As I saw that the last email did not convince you, I hope this does. You don't know if the prospect wasn't interested or not. You don't know the reason why they didn't get back to you, so don't say that. Plus, it works against you because you admit you didn't convince them, which let them understand your offer wasn't that good. Here's a little video for you featuring the strategy that competitor filter is implementing video. Adding a personalized video with a personalized thumbnail is a great idea. It grabs the attention right away. Plus, you bring value to your prospect. I would just add a quick sentence to give more detail of what's in it for them in case they haven't seen your first email. Company name will crush it with this value bomb. That reminds the prospect of what they'll gain with this. It's good you put the link in case they don't click on the video. Plus, it piques your curiosity. You want to know what's that value bomb. Hope you enjoy it. A little suggestion, I would change the closing line to something like, let me know what you think, or I'd be happy to hear your thoughts on it. It will encourage your prospect to reply and get a conversation going.
10 seconds later.
So here's the new version of the email. Hello again, first name. Last time I mentioned how topic will goal. Here's a little video for you featuring the strategy that competitor is implementing. Video. Company name will crush it with this value bomb. I'd be happy to hear your thoughts on it. It works because you remind them quickly of your last email and what's in it for them. You bring pure value and you don't try to sell at all. Next, let's analyze the second follow-up. Subject line or call together. Hello again. First name. Did you take a look at the video? I hope you liked it. You're probably wondering what this is all about and where the fine print is. Image. And well, to be honest, there is not. I'm simply offering you this value because I'm tired of seeing other opportunistic agencies selling copy-paste advice in 500 euros programs. By the way, if the week doesn't work for you, I'd be happy to chat with you for a few minutes over the weekend. Best regards. Subject line or call together. Hello again, first name. Did you take a look at the video? I hope you liked it. Same thought then for the first follow-up. You're referring to the last email, but you change the subject line, so there's a chance your prospect will know what you're referring to and it'll be harder for them to find the said email. And as you don't bring something new, I'd keep the same subject line. You're probably wondering what this is all about and where the fine print is. Cut the fluff and go straight to the point. Remove this part. Image. The personalized image is funny, which lightens the mood and grabs your prospect attention. Or call together refers to the subject line, but if you change it, don't forget to add a short sentence referring to the call. And while to be honest, there is not. I'm simply offering you this value because I'm tired of seeing other opportunistic agencies selling copy-paste advice in 500 euros programs. It sounds like you're complaining and you're not focusing on your prospect. Instead, say that you're offering them this because you want to help them and not because of that. By the way, if the week doesn't work for you, I'd be happy to chat with you for a few minutes over the weekend. It's nice you're offering to adapt and speak on the weekend if it's better for them. Even though you speak of a call, you don't directly ask them, so make your CTA clearer and stronger.
A few moments later.
So here's the new version of the email. Hello again, first name. Did you take a look at the video I sent you? I'd love to help and show you several ways you can goal over a call. Image. Wouldn't follow up with you unless I wasn't confident it will bring value to you. Let's schedule a call. If the week doesn't work for you, I'd be happy to chat with you for a few minutes over the weekend. Best regards. So it works because you give context, you remind them what's in it for them and bring value. The personalized image is fun and related to your CTA, and you make yourself available to your prospect. Now let's finish the sequence by breaking down the last follow-up. Hey there, first name. At this point, I imagine that the idea of having a call with me doesn't quite convince you. It's a shame, although I understand that it is not for everyone. I'll leave here my LinkedIn in case you want to reach out to me through this platform. Thank you very much for your time. Let's analyze this email in detail. Hey there, first name. At this point, I imagine that the idea of having a call with me doesn't quite convince you. Don't say that because it brings you down and gives you a bad image. It's a shame, although I understand that this is not for everyone. No need to say that, as it can imply you didn't target well your audience. I'll leave here my LinkedIn in case you want to reach out to me through this platform. This part is good as you leave a way for your prospect to reach out to you if they change their mind. Thank you very much for your time.
2 seconds later.
Now let's see the new version of this email. Hey there, first name. I promise it's my last attempt to convince you to have a call with me to discuss the topic. I'll leave here my LinkedIn in case you want to reach out to me through this platform. Thank you very much for your time. So it works because it's short and states it is your last email. You make it clear what your email is referring to. You leave your prospect an option to contact you if they change their mind. Overall, that was a good campaign, and I just want to remind you all of the importance of following up with your prospect. It increases your chances of getting a response, thus your opportunities. If you want your cold email to be analyzed by our team of experts too, it's simple. Join our Facebook community. The link is in the description, then leave a comment below.